We're here at Bobby's house, and nobody has ever gone in his house. Not even Tim.
Running back challenge.
So we're gonna go try to break in right now to Bobby's house.
I tried to use the restroom one time, and I got denied.
He got denied to use the restroom. That's jacked up
By the toilet.
on coke and rum. Okay, here we go. Come on. I'm going solo. I can't find any of these interior entrances to interlude my perception of my Personic temple. So we're walking around up here. No one even knows what's going on right now. I'm gonna knock on Bobby's door. This is the door. I knocked. Let's see who answers. It's Bobby!
Hi guys.
This is Bobby's place.
Shh, people are asleep.
People are sleeping. I've never seen the inside of Bobby's house. I'm excited.